All right, now let's take a look at the Indonesian stock market today, where on Monday afternoon, Indonesia's composite index was down by 0.44%. And for the full report and analysis, let's get over to Jessica Wulandari, who is reporting from the Indonesian Stock Exchange.
Jakarta Composite Index dropped 0.44% as domestic inflation rate in September accelerated to its highest since October 2015 due to higher transportation costs following a fuel price hike. The headline annual inflation rate rose to 5.95% in September, up from 4.69% in August, but came in slightly lower than a 6% rate expected in a poll. Head of Statistic Indonesia, Margo Yuwono, warned that inflation could heat up further in October as a number of regions have not yet increased their transportation fares. Another sentiment was inflation in the euro area hit a new high for the 11th consecutive month as energy prices continue to rise, bolstering calls from the European Central Bank to continue aggressive interest rate rises when it meets next month. Consumer price in the Eurozone rose 10% in the year to September, accelerating from 9.1% in August, which was already the highest level in the Euro's 23-year history. The price rises also outstripped the 9.7% expected by the economists. Therefore, Rupiah also tumbled 0.43% to 15,290. Now, let's move on to the stock movers. The top losers of the day were BFI Finance, Barito Pacific, and GoTo. And at the same time, the top gainers were Indica Energy, Elang Mahkota, and Indah Kiat Pulp and Paper. And tomorrow, index expected in the range of 7,000 until 7,112, and Rupiah will be moved between 15,220 until 15,300. Now, let's take a look to commodity prices. Spot gold price dropped 0.02% to $1,671 a troy ounce. In the meantime, both Brent and WTI crude futures jumped around 2% amid reports that OPEC Plus may consider cutting output by more than 1 million barrels a day, for its biggest reduction since the pandemic at a meeting on October 5th. I am Jessica, reporting for MGN.